Hello planner friends, I hope you're doing very well. Today's video might be a little bit long about our shop update and things that are coming up soon. I figured to create a long video because there's so much to talk about, and a lot of it is about maybe a lot of it is a part of like overthinking process and making the right decision, and there is really no right or wrong answer to making these decisions. But yeah, I'll share some of my process and how we can come up with a fun product that everyone will love and will use. So first off, the biggest news is our stamps, and as you know, these are our Mimi stamp, and I love them so much. They're so functional, so cute, and so portable, and you don't need to carry ink pad or anything like that. You just take one step and you're ready to go. Be able to carry this everywhere you go when you travel or go to places. I love how they are detachable, so you can quickly select the design, move the stamp to the specific area, and you can use the stamp right away. They're not like stuck into one container in the case, and you just not kind of eyeballing where to stamp, but this will allow you to have more freedom to use. As I mentioned in my other posts, I mentioned that I wanted to create the next design for our stamps, and that is really exciting, and I think it will be really fun to use. Having a Mimi stamp that has the weather will be also very useful. I have our design ready to go. So this is the concept. It actually took me some time to kind of narrow down to these design, and they're very specific. One reason why I chose, see that there is cloudy, windy, sunny, of course, rainy, and number 6 is the snowman. And I know places do snow and some places don't. Where I am don't snow. And so for those who don't have snowy weather in the winter, you can use this for there's other purpose to use. And so the design are really thought out, and think of ways that you can use it even though it's not for weather. So that is said, that is good. I'd have these design, but the issue is my manufacturer that's created these stamps originally, and I love them. There's no issue at all. It works really well and came what I expected, but even better. I love the color. Is that they're no longer in business for some reason. I'm not sure why. They just like completely ghosted me. I messaged them, they didn't reply back for a long time. Actually, haven't replied back. So my issue is like, oh shoot, then who do I find help to create, bring my ideas to life? Like, I don't know who. There's not a lot of places manufacturers that create this design, and I really wanted the exact same design because I want to keep the design very consistent, like the case and the function, and I want that. Need some time, and I finally found a company that could create something similar. I don't know how the quality is. It seems to be a little smaller company, but I hope it'll be fine. I really hope it'll be like exactly the same design and function. There won't be have any issue. It shouldn't be difficult to create the stamp, but I think the design of the case might be a little difficult, but I'll see. All right, so the next part that I want to share and discuss and share my journey is, as some of you know, or I don't know how long you have been following me for, but I have been in the planner community for almost 10 years or slightly more. It already has passed our shop anniversary. 10 years is crazy. That's like a decade. I wanted to create some of the special items for our anniversary celebration. Again, I don't know how well they will do, but I want to make sure that they are very special and things that I don't often create, and one of the things are washi tape. And I know in the past some of you have asked me, when will you restock the Mimi washi tape? And let me show you my first ever made washi, and these are my last 2 set of the washi tape that I ever created and owned, and I absolutely love them because it basically is my baby. It's my first ever made washi tape, and they're really, really cute. So cute. There with the other Nuku one. And again, creating any product require a pretty big minimal requirement that you need to order, and I just don't know how well they do, and I don't want to keep them for too long. And I have had created products in the past and I guess they're not as popular, which is fine. And I have them for so long, like for many years. like for so long, for many years I keep having them, and I'm like, oh, that's too many. I had no more space. Anyway, so I think that is the issue where I'm just not sure creating washi tape will make sense for me, because it requires space and you need a certain amount of quantities. But because this is my shop anniversary, celebrating for, I can't believe it, I'll have to say this, 10 years. That means I have to make something special. I feel like it has to be special. The reason why I brought up the washi tape is I'm planning on creating washi tape. Washi tape is one of those things that there's so many ways of designing it, depending on your style and your aesthetic, your liking, I guess. So I have been brainstorming for the longest time, like how should I make our washi tape special and something that you want to use like every day or whenever, like first thing you want to grab, whenever you need. So originally I wanted to create 2 regular size washi tape, and that is like regular size like this, right? And no, originally I wanted to create 1 washi tape in the regular size and 1 smaller one, which is like 10 millimeter. So the skinny one, which is nice, so you can create like a header and put it underneath your dates and stuff. Kind of debating those 2. And then I realized there was another design I really want to design, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but I really wanted to create a affirmation, motivation related washi tape, because I really like using and seeing them motivating me whenever I feel down, whenever I feel sad, whenever I need a little bit push. You know, that is a great reminder to keep going. So I really want to create that. So that's why I am thinking of bringing out 2 regular washi tape size, which is this one. One is the motivational / affirmation washi tape. The third one is the washi tape, that smaller one, which is great to put as like a decorative washi tape you can put underneath your header or to break out your spread. Let me see if I have an example. Here's an example. Maybe it's not the best because in here I use the regular size. So like for instance, maybe you want to divide your space planning, you can just put our skinny washi tape right between the text. You see, so then it'll be half of the size. So it looked really nice. So it's not taking too much space. That is the washi situation. So there will be summary. It's like 2 regular size washi tape and 1 skinny washi tape. And I'll give you a little sneak peek because you guys are so nice and being so supportive for so long. I don't know if any of you watched till this up to here. If you are, thank you so much. I hope you are learning something new or feeling a little interested in what I have to say and offer. One other sneak peek is the stationery theme. So planning, cozy, imagine that. So it'll be lots of Mimi. So this is some of my sketch that I'm thinking of adding into that washi tape. It's gonna be so cute. Mimi and planning our way. And I think that'll be so adorable. So that is one design. The second design I have already printed out is this one. So this is the affirmation / motivational washi tape. And I'm thinking of like something like this. Something like simple, not like too much color going on. And so I still need to make some changes because it's not perfect yet. I feel like it could still work on it. So I need to redo the background where the stars are. I want it to stand out a little bit more. And yeah, so this is the sneak peek of the design. So the next item that I want to add to the celebration is the sticker book. And the sticker book is basically reusable, so you can add your stickers and you can pull it out of your sheet. I did create a poll and asked you guys which one you would prefer in terms of the sticker organization, and I give you guys some option. One is the folder that has an enclosed on the top, and you can like slide your sticker sheets in the folder, and you put that folder and tuck it behind your planner. That is one option. The second option is the reusable sticker book that you can stick some loose stickers. It seems like those two options were quite popular. It seems like the sticker book, it seems to be the more most voted, so I'm thinking of going for that. So that would be an idea. One of the issues that I have when it comes to a sticker book, again, when it comes to creating product, I have to think about, will I personally use it? Are there an issue with it? How easy is it for others to also will use it too? And I have to really intentionally think of the use and does this product make sense? There are some problems with it that I personally do not like, and I feel like maybe others will have the same problem too. So the issue with the sticker book is that I don't like how I cannot organize my stick in a way that I want later on. What I mean by that, so imagine you decided to put a lot of sticker in certain pages, and then you realize like, oh shoot, I don't know, I want to move this sheet to be closer to another sheet that's have similar theme, you know? And you can't do that. And in order to reorganize it, you probably have to take off all the stickers and move it to the next sheets closer to the sheet that you want to be closer to the similar theme. So maybe food related stickers. And so you can't just pull it off and put it back in. I guess you could, because there is a hack. You can just like create a slit, but then over time you kind of like damage it maybe. I don't know, I haven't tried that. My sticker book is gonna allow you to be able to move the pages around. So simple as that. And that is something I would personally will use. So I'll create things that I personally will use. So I like that because I can move things around, because I am someone that wants to put it in there. I like to organize things around. So here I cannot. That is the plan for our sticker books. These sheet can be quite large when you stick it. Hint, it'll be a little small size, like something like this. It's a sticky note, so you can actually remove and move things around. Once the things are set in terms of time, you could write it in to your planner, and the sticky note is like almost like a draft. That is a little hint of product that's coming out next. So the final product that I don't know if I will go forward with, because I feel like it's gonna be the expensive production it might be, and that is the pencil case. Creating my own Mimi pencil case. And I know that pencil case can be very personal, because everyone has their own style and a way to store their pens and whatnot. So I just don't know if I should do it, but I love the concept of having my own Mimi pencil case. So I will have to see. And I feel like maybe I could do a pre-order, like an extra add-on to the anniversary bundle for those who might potentially be interested in getting it. And if I have hit enough numbers of orders, then I could potentially produce it. But as for right now, I'm thinking of, there's two different style. One is the actual pencil case like this, where you can, have your bunch of pens and whatnot, and there obviously I want pockets in there, one pocket. So the second design of the pencil case is be able to wrap around your A5 planner like this. It's a flat pencil case. The front, it has a pocket, so you can slide your stamps, or you can clip onto your pens. And then on the side, you can put in your washi tape, your favorite pens in there. Just a few things on the go when you're traveling. You just want to grab a few things to keep everything in all one place and attach to your planner. So that is the second design. So those are just some thought process and things that I want to include, and it's still working in progress. but the stamps will be the first thing will be coming out first. The anniversary celebration items might take some time. I might need to do some pre-order, get more sense of how many people are interested and to get them, so I'll be able to fund these. I'm really excited, but let me know if you have any question. What items are you excited about? Let me know which kind of pencil case do you think you will use, the flat one, or do you prefer like around like a full-on pencil case that you can store more pens and your washi tape and whatnot. And thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much. I cannot believe that we have surpassed 10 years in the planner community selling our Mimi stickers. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.